Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video we will learn how to update our Woolan driver in few simple steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Install only the compatible drivers. Download link in the description. And extract the file. Step 2. Disconnect the internet. And then insert your Wi-Fi dongle receiver, and hold on for this notification or error. Step 3. Open Device Manager. To open up Device Manager you can simply search on Start menu and search the program, or else open Control Panel and click on Hardware and Sound. Now, click on Device Manager. So, here we can see that the hardware Wi-Fi dongle is installed. But driver is not installed. To install it, right-click on it, and click on Update Driver Software. Then, click on Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Browse, and select the file location where we downloaded the file and select Required File and check the checkbox for including subfolder and click on Next. Ouch. In the next video we will learn how to remove this. Wow, drivers has been installed successfully. Now you can watch out, it has been categorized in network adapters. Restart your computer. And finally, get connected to Wi-Fi by entering password. So, now we are connected and ready to explore. Hope so, that you have find the value in the content. Thanks a lot for watching the video.